Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight, we get you the first projections before the Delhi elections. The nerve center of Bharat is witnessing a high decibel battle and an acerbic set of politics and political comments. But the question is, who's winning Dilli ka dil? That's always the biggest interest factor in any elections. Jeetega kaun? Who's got the chemistry with the voters right? And whose arithmetic will actually pay off? We get you the equations behind the elections in Delhi Dangal, the JVC poll. As the political rhetoric fires up the winter chill, allies are turning foes, and foes may just end up being saviors for their arch nemesis. Kejriwal is strumming up support not just among voters but also winning the popularity vote of his India alliance partners. Congress sign Rahul Gandhi has been missing in action and his party is busy fighting the Aam Aadmi Party, well, may I say, rather acerbically and below the belt, if you may just borrow the expression from the Aam Aadmi Party. Rather than uniting against Modi's saffron party, they are at loggerheads. Then you have the challenger, the BJP. Their calling card is Prime Minister Modi's Vikas pitch. We here on Times Now bring to you the Delhi Dangal JVC poll. Over the next 1 hour, we will crush the political rhetoric with hard data and ground projections. We will do a deep dive to show you whose freebie factor will prevail. Kejriwal is wooing the Mahila voters. But what will happen if the BJP brings in its own equivalent of the Ladki Behin or a Ladli Behin Yojana to Delhi? And can the Congress convince the women voters of its own Nari Nyay guarantee? We'll also look at point number 2. If freebies is the first issue that we will be looking at, secondly, we will also show you what role does the Hindu card play in these elections. Can Kejriwal tap into Hindu Astha with stipends to pujaris and granthis? Why is the Hindu vote a factor in this election? Will his Sanatan Seva Samiti swing voters away from the original Saffron Party? And finally, we will also tell you about the BJP Congress Jugalbandi and why the Aam Aadmi Party is crying foul. Is there a Jugalbandi? Can there be a Jugalbandi? Why the Congress's magic number of 7.5% projections of vote could be a make or break for the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. All of these issues coming up over the next 1 hour. But first, let me bring to you the panel that we have for you tonight. Joining me, JVC with his poll, and JVC, well, if the poll is a success and everybody likes it, it's ours. Yes. If it isn't, and if people want to beat you up, then I invite all political participants to go for him. Thank you for joining us tonight. I'm just joking. Thank you for joining us tonight, Anand Ranganathan. Many elections done together. Let's see who you are going to find between the lines as the winner. Thank you very much, Radhika Khera, national spokesperson of the BJP, for joining us in our studios. Sabha Naqvi, senior journalist. We've done so many elections together. Sabha Naqvi, this one will call for all the expertise that you have at your hand. Thank you very much for joining us. Also joining us tonight is Amit Mishra, who is Ashutosh Mishra, who is somebody who's seen many elections and definitely not a Modi fan. Ashutosh Mishra ji, इस election में सारी expertise लगेगी हम सबकी jointly, individually, to decipher which way the voter is going.
And I'm a senior journalist too.
Yes, you are a senior journalist, and we've done many elections together, Ashutosh ji. In our studios this afternoon this evening is also Anmol Pawar of the Aam Aadmi Party. Thank you very much. I've already told you the disclaimer is whose neck to go for is very clear. But it's all happening out there. And Mr. Romesh Sabharwal of the Congress Party joins us in our studios.
Good evening, madam.
कुछ है भी या नहीं?
Definitely, ma'am. We are strugglers. We are fighters.
Okay.
We rule Delhi so much.
जुगलबंदी आपके साथ तो नहीं है और इसी की तकलीफ है.
होनी चाहिए थी.
होनी चाहिए. पर हुई नहीं.
Unfortunate. मोदी जी का डंडा.
मोदी जी का डंडा.
केजरीवाल के ऊपर. केजरीवाल के ऊपर. कि अलायंस मत करना. मैं दोबारा डाल दूंगा अंदर.
Okay, that is a big one. अरे मुझे लगता आपने केवेंटर्स की मिल्कशेक ही नहीं पिलाई उनको, which is another reason why this alliance hasn't happened. So let's go straight across to the scenarios that we are looking up at in this first section of the freebie factor. Let's take a look at scenario one. Aam Aadmi Party has come up with the freebie factor, and the biggest one is their Mahila Samman with 2,100 rupees to every woman's account. If Aam Aadmi Party manages to get 55% of the women voters, this will mean they will have 25 lakh plus votes from women voters. BJP will be left with 39%. Normally, women voters have gone for the BJP, but let me tell you, at the moment, the BJP has not announced any such scheme. So as things stand today, this is the scheme that has been announced, and if the Aam Aadmi Party gets the benefit of 55% of women voters, the BJP gets 39%, Congress 5%, others 1%, then this election clearly in favor of, excuse me, the Aam Aadmi Party. Total votes that the Aam Aadmi Party will get about 51,000, of which 51 lakhs, out of which 25 lakhs will be women voters. And this is what we are saying, overall votes. If women and men are taken together, then 51 lakh votes is what the Aam Aadmi Party will get. And that is about 51.2% of the overall vote share. BJP at that stage will be about 40 lakh plus votes at 40%, 40.6%. Congress will be at 6.62% and others at 1.54%. This is the scenario that we are talking about if women voters get the kind of lift that the Aam Aadmi Party is projecting from its Mahila Samman Yojana. This is then scenario one, in which we are looking at the freebies, especially for the women working for the Aam Aadmi Party. And the seat projection in this case will be about 56 to 60 seats out of the 70 seats. 10 to 14 seats for the BJP and 0 for the Congress still, others also at 0. This is only because the BJP has so far not announced any such scheme for women, and therefore this is a targeted scheme. And freebies, whether you like it or not, everybody is giving freebies. I have no doubt in my mind that the BJP will also come up with a package because they've done it in Maharashtra, they've done it in Madhya Pradesh. Why won't they do it in Delhi, which they want to win so badly? I don't know. But JVC, your response first. What is the probability of this kind of a scenario happening?
I would say it's a 10% probability.
Only
Why
10%?
I say, yeah, exactly. I would say only 10% probability because as you rightly mentioned, I expect BJP to come with some kind of a counter Mahila schemes because they've done it in Madhya Pradesh, they've done it in Chhattisgarh, they've done it in Odisha, they've done it in Maharashtra. What stops them from doing it in Delhi? And probably they will also come with an eligibility clause which Aam Aadmi Party and Congress Party are not coming out with. So if BJP comes out with its own scheme, then the whole scenario will change. That's the reason why I say it's a 10% probability. And AAP was getting 55% of women votes sometime during the Christmas, 25th of December, around that period. But now if you look at it, things are changing. That's why we have to move to other scenarios also. This election ultimately will be freebie versus anger. And angry elections, we have seen it in the last 1 year. From November 2023, wild swings have become the norm. We have seen wild swings in Chhattisgarh, where BJP gained over 10% votes. We have seen wild swings in Telangana, where BRS lost more than 11% votes. Then we have seen wild swings in Odisha, where BJD, which ruled for over 20 years, was displaced. We saw wild swings in a state where freebie ka Raja, Maharaja, Andhra Pradesh. Who can give freebie like Jagan Mohan Reddy? He was displaced. And then we saw the wild swing of JJP losing over 13% in Haryana. And we also saw in Maharashtra. So wild swings are possible. And this is an equation where BJP goes into an hibernation because they've still not announced candidate for over, say, around, I think 29 candidates only they've announced. And if BJP gives up on this election, that is when this can happen. And I don't think.
And is the BJP going to give up? Anmol Pawar, I want to ask you, women voters, freebies, definitely the calling card. But what if the Congress has come up with their own freebie announcement of 2,500 rupees per woman? What if the BJP comes up? Is this a shifty ground for the Aam Aadmi Party? Because freebies, others can duplicate it.
I don't think there's any other state other than Delhi which has been able to implement this so-called freebie, although I would not call it as freebie. I would call it as social spending, which is fundamental of any welfare society. It's a fundamental component. Delhi is the only state which is running in surplus. In 2014, people used to ask us, "Bhai, paisa kahan se laoge? You are saying that you will give 24/7 electricity. Paisa kahan se laoge? You will provide water to the citizens. Paisa kahan se laoge? You will provide world care education facilities, world-class healthcare facilities. Paisa kahan se laoge?" After 10 years of governance, it is their own comptroller and auditor general. इनकी केंद्र सरकार की एजेंसी ने अरविंद केजरीवाल जी से कहा, "Arvind Kejriwal, we are giving you a certificate that you are the only state which is running in surplus. You are not like Madhya Pradesh, which is in a debt of 4.5 lakh crore. You are not like Uttar Pradesh, which is running in a debt of 7.5 lakh crore. You are not a state like Maharashtra, which is running in a debt of 7.5 lakh crore. You are not like Gujarat, which is running in a debt of 4 lakh crore. And if they can announce, and why would
CAG
people...
ने आपको सर्टिफिकेट दिया?
Yes.
अच्छा, दिखा दें.
आप गूगल करिए, आपके दर्शक गूगल करें, दिख जाएगा. And most important, why would people believe Bharatiya Janata Party? In 2020, Narendra Modi ji said, "I'll open 10 new colleges, 200 new schools." Promise पूरा नहीं किया. He said he backstabbed and betrayed the Purvanchalis of Delhi. He said that I'll give you registration and ownership right to 40 lakh Purvanchalis living in unauthorized colonies in Delhi. But कितनों को मिला? 22,000 को. He said that I'll provide you 10 lakh jobs. कितनों को मिला? किसी को नहीं मिला. He said that I'll ensure that the traders and shop owners, 10 lakh, they'll get the lease, their offices will be converted from leasehold to freehold. कितनों का हुआ? किसी का नहीं हुआ. So क्यों इन पे विश्वास करेंगे लोग? Why would people believe them?
Okay,
People
all right.
believe in trusted.
Okay,
Kejriwal
you made your point. I'm coming back to the other side, but Anand Ranganathan. Fact check?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your fact
Before
check?
I wanted to say what I wanted to say on the other matter, he's a very dear friend, आप spokesperson, लेकिन इतने ब्लाजे फैशन में झूठ बोलना वो भी आपके शो पे ये शोभा नहीं देता. ये दिल्ली का इकोनॉमिक सर्वे है, दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट ने ही पास किया है, वही रिटर्न है. अभी 40,000 करोड़ दिल्ली की डेट है. तो ये बोलना कि सरप्लस जा रहा है, आपके सामने में दिल्ली का delhi.gov.in का डॉक्यूमेंट दिखा रहा हूं आपको 2024 का. ऐसे झूठ मत बोलिए कि एकदम पकड़ा जाए. झूठ बोलिए, थोड़ा आगे चले. लेकिन इन्होंने सारे स्टेट्स की डेट को नहीं, मैं इनकी दाद देता हूं, बहुत सारे स्टेट्स फ्री भी दे रहे हैं, डेट है. महाराष्ट्र की 8 लाख करोड़ डेट है. पंजाब का नाम नहीं लिया इन्होंने. आपने नोटिस किया? पंजाब की डेट 1.5 लाख करोड़ पिछले 1.5 साल में बढ़ चुकी है. अब वो 3 लाख करोड़ है. ये एक मिनट, पहले आप ये मानते हैं 40,000 करोड़ डेट है दिल्ली की?
आप गलत बता रहे हैं.
पहली बार
दिल्ली पुलिस सेंटर के अंडर है, ट्रैफिक पुलिस दिल्ली सेंटर के अंडर है, एनडीएमसी सेंटर के अंडर है, डायरेक्ट बजट एलएनडीओ सेंटर के अंडर है, सीपीडब्ल्यूडी सेंटर के अंडर है, दिल्ली कैंट का एरिया सेंटर के अंडर है. भारत सरकार दिल्ली को कैपिटल होने के नाते बहुत ज्यादा फंड देती है. अगर दिल्ली नेचुरल, अगर यूपी की तरह इक्वेट करोगे तो हम भी डेप्ट में होते. ये तो दिल्ली कैपिटल है. भारत सरकार कोई कांग्रेस की हो या आज जो बीजेपी की है, हमको बाउंड है, यहां पर पैसे देने ही देने हैं. कई डिपार्टमेंट्स इनके अंदर है ही नहीं.
All right, Radhika Khera, freebies king Arvind Kejriwal. Why is the BJP so slow? Are you waiting for this scenario to consolidate before you come out with your strategy?
Navika ji, slow and steady wins the race. We don't need to run like them to fool the people of Delhi. The people of Delhi have witnessed Aam Aadmi Party in the last 10 years, and the financial health of Delhi has deteriorated ever since the Aam Aadmi Party formed the government. Delhi has always been in surplus, and it is only in the last, after 31 years, have we seen such a pathetic condition of the financial things in Delhi. Why? Because they promised the sun, the star, the moon, everything, but they failed to deliver on ground. Dharatal pe, nothing is there. What about the salaries that they promised to the imams? 17 months they haven't paid. pension to the senior citizens. आप उनको महिलाओं को, बुजुर्गों को, आदमियों को बोल के ले जाते हैं कि हम लेकर जा रहे हैं religious tourism के लिए, जिसका मात्र खर्चा about 1,000 to 3,000, 4,000 rupees आ जाता है ले जाने के लिए. But the money that they were getting as their pension, you have stopped. You have stopped the widow pension, and then you say we have enough money now women can't. But are women of Delhi actual fools? Did they not see कि in March they promised 1,000 rupees to the women, but that never got on ground. They had enough time. ये बोलना कि अरे अभी तो इलेक्शन अनाउंस होने वाले हैं, इलेक्शन आने वाले, इलेक्शन तो अनाउंस नहीं हुए थे ना नाविका जी. They could have got that scheme. We ensured that scheme came in Maharashtra before the election came. What stopped them? And by saying that the chief minister was in jail and that's why it could not be done, well, the chief minister should have put Delhi first and resigned and let someone else take charge. The chief minister still cannot be Arvind Kejriwal. So the next 5 years also they will not be able to work. That's very clear.
How do you know?
How can Arvind Kejriwal be the chief minister? Chief minister who cannot enter the chief minister office, cannot enter the secretariat, cannot sign on the files, will remain to be the chief minister. But then she should have remained. Why make mockery out of Atishi ji, a woman?
Navika ji, can
Why make fun of her?
Okay,
I
all
find it
right.
Amazing. Everyone is. I want to say one thing. ये रेवड़ी की बात. You were saying AAP is giving रेवड़ी BJP. Let us understand the situation on the ground, because I went and I reported and I saw when AAP tries to take women's name, the police comes. So this is not a level playing field. So if, no, let's be factual. I have gone and checked it out. Now I want to know on principle, I still think AAP will be ahead, but on principle, if in Maharashtra, women can be registered and be given, on what grounds are you denying it to the people of Delhi, saying LG has given, let me finish.
1 second,
No,
madam.
I have not spoken so far. Let me finish what I'm saying.
Okay.
Sure, go ahead.
I want to know this as a woman, as a lot of the maids and all were lined up, and they said police came and they bhagaud them. They said allowed nahi hai.
Can I answer that?
That is happening in Delhi, and that needs to be
I'll tell you that. When you talk about Maharashtra or other states where Bharatiya Janata Party is in power and we've got those forms filled, well, the government was doing that. Here, Aam Aadmi Party workers are going to those women and asking them, apna bank account number do, apna Aadhaar card number do. Why should a woman's bank account number and phone number be with Aam Aadmi Party workers? And because of it, many scams, women have lost money from their accounts. And we've seen how people are being scammed over the phone.
Navika ji, can I
And no one is
respond?
stopping. आपको लगता है कि अगर पुलिस वाले
I need
रोक रहे
30
होते
seconds.
नाविका जी, तो ये लोग धरने पे नहीं
I need
बैठते.
30
आतिशी जी
seconds.
शांति से बैठ जाती अगर पुलिस वाले रोक रहे होते, महिला को
परेशान
फॉर्म
मत
नहीं भरने
होइए.
देते. आंसू बहा के एक वीडियो और आ गया होता कि पुलिस वालों ने रोक दिया,
Can I-
धक्का मार दिया, महिलाओं को फॉर्म नहीं भरने दिया. They are pros at making videos and releasing those videos.
But
Why
I
has
said
Aam Aadmi Party not showed that?
Radhika,
Can I
I'm not
respond?
lying. I saw it in
All
India.
right.
Women want it.
I know you
And
want
they
to
were
come
being
in. I know
forced.
Ashutosh ji, you want to come in.
Also.
I'm coming to scenario number 2, and when I come to you, you can answer all the questions. Let's look at now scenario number 2. If the BJP comes with a factor of freebies, then what happens? Then Aam Aadmi Party's women votes fall from 55 to 50%, BJP 45%, Congress 4%, others 1%. And this is the number of votes. The gap in the votes reduces between the two parties. Let's take a look at total votes, including men and women. What happens to the vote shares? The Aam Aadmi Party from about 52% falls to about 47.29%. 44.99 or rather 45% is what the BJP will get. Congress will be at 6.16% and others at 1.54. In this scenario, the fight really gets closer. And look at the projection JVC poll gives. 33 to 37 to the Aam Aadmi Party, 33 to 36 to the BJP, and about 1 seat to the Congress Party. Others get 0. This, if the BJP's freebie for women comes into the
Can I just say
market
one thing?
and
I want to add.
takes off.
No, I want to say that logically, I believe this stopping up from being able to give freebies is designed to show the people of Delhi that they can't do it, but if we come to power, we can do it, because the Delhi Services Bill gives us right, which was, by the way, which is being challenged in the Supreme Court. So that there is part of the tactics to show, वो नहीं दे सकते, सिर्फ हम दे सकते हैं.
Well,
it is,
but then as you said, the voters of Delhi are very smart. And they will know what to do, who's promising and
But
who's
there is
actually
no-
doing. But Anmol Pawar.
Navika ji, a lot of questions were raised about हमने क्या किया क्या नहीं किया. Although we are working tirelessly for the people of Delhi, but at the core is women empowerment. We ensured their safety, dignity and empowerment. We ensured we installed more than 3 lakh CCTV cameras, and here
There is no
And just a
CCTV.
minute.
There is
Just a
no
minute.
CCTV camera in the Chief Minister's residence where Swati Maliwal was there.
Sitting
Now,
Rajasthan
Anmol
MPs punch-
Pawar,
let me
you know,
come-
with due respect, with
me
due
come-
respect, you know, ये वाली बात आपको कहनी नहीं चाहिए,
let me come-
because a woman was molested in
Let
the
me-
Chief Minister's house.
Shocking.
Let me complete. She's just said that we are asking for bank account document. Show it to your viewers. ये रहा फॉर्म, बताइए कहाँ पे बैंक अकाउंट डॉक्यूमेंट है. भारतीय झूठा पार्टी है ये. This सुबह दोपहर शाम तीनों टाइम झूठ बोलते हैं. And they have, in fact, they are saying that CM cannot sign the files. Go and read order dated 10/5/2024. Go and read order dated 12/7/2024, 13/9/2024, page 48 पे पैरा 32 और 33 पढ़िएगा. In this UT structure, although Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, he doesn't hold any portfolio. There are only few files that are to be sent to Lieutenant Governor on which there's no restriction. In fact, the High Court and Supreme Court, they slammed fine against a PIL in which 50,000 fine was slapped against the person who filed a PIL कि इन्हें मुख्यमंत्री पद से हटाया जाए. So they are only spreading lies,
So
nothing
you are
else.
saying there is
And-
no problem in the power that is given to the Delhi CM, in which case saying that the central government does not
problem is
allow you
this.
to do things is a wrong premise. दोनों तो सच नहीं हो
Problem is
सकते.
this, ये मुख्यमंत्री के सामने ये गाली गलौज पार्टी का कोई चेहरा नहीं है, कोई विजन नहीं है, कोई नैरेटिव
अच्छा,
राधिका खेड़ा.
Okay.
बता
First of
दीजिए
all-
who is your CM candidate this time in Delhi elections?
क्यों बता
Do you
दें
have
आपको?
any CM candidate?
आपका कौन है CM
They
candidate?
have our
आपका
CM
कौन है?
candidate. Look,
So then why did he resign and why was
No,
Atishi made the
गाली
chief
गलौज
minister? If
पार्टी
he
का
can be
CM
the
candidate
CM,
कौन है?
then why was Atishi made to
गाली
resign?
गलौज
He
पार्टी
should
का
have
CM
continued.
candidate कौन है?
Why
बताइए
would-
ना.
You are getting caught in your own web. Now today Arvind Kejriwal did a press conference and he said अगर दिल्ली को तकलीफ होती है तो हमारे दिल में तकलीफ होती है. अच्छा, आपके दिल में तकलीफ होती है. जो कूड़े का पहाड़ was supposed to be cleared by December 2024 is still there. But Arvind Kejriwal said because I was in jail it did not happen, and he's saying the party was working and the state was working even from jail. Now why has that not been cleared? Then they say कि दिल में तकलीफ होती है, नलका खोलते हैं ना दिल्ली का, नीला पानी, काला पानी और अंडे की बदबू वाला पानी आता है ऑन रिकॉर्ड. रजौरी गार्डन चाहिए, लाजपत नगर चाहिए, स्पेलिंग ऑफ एग्स दैट बैड. फिर polluted हवा, 99 more than 90% people in Delhi are suffering from respiratory diseases. Heart attacks are on the rise because of the pollution. ये महिलाओं को जो ये वादा कर रहे हैं उनको भी यही प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, उनके बच्चों को भी आ रही है. जिस महिला के बच्चे को हार्ट अटैक आ रहा है, पति को हार्ट अटैक आ रहा है, उनको हार्ट अटैक आ रहा है, वो इन पैसों के लिए इनको वोट देंगे. Then you talk about कि हमारे दिल में दर्द होता है. यमुना में तो तैराकी करानी थी लोगों को.
Here's Supreme
What
Court.
happened?
Here's
What
Supreme
Arvind
Court
Kejriwal said?
saying that
यमुना साफ करने से
pollution
ना
is a pan-India
वोट नहीं
problem.
मिलती.
Here's the
क्योंकि
WHO
आपको यमुना साफ करने से वोट
report
नहीं
which says
मिलती.
that
सफाई
39
नहीं
of the
होगी.
most polluted cities of the 50 polluted
अच्छा,
cities are in
and
India.
Navika ji,
Here's the
remember,
WHO
they had that
report
chemical
which says
जो
that India is the
पराली को
third most
धूप
polluted
मचा
country in
देगा.
the world. Here's the report
The
which
only
says
time
that 83 out of the 100 most polluted cities in Asia are in India.
Drinks that liquor. That
Pollution
what
is
that
a
is
North
happening.
India problem. They are running away from their
Ashutosh
responsibility.
ji.
And what is shocking is 10 seconds. What is shocking is that yesterday, the same Bharatiya Janata promised the Jat voters of Delhi in 2015.
Thank you, you picked that
Narendra
out.
Modi ji called the meeting. 5 central ministers were present. In 2017, 8 February 2017, a meeting was called by Mr. Amit Shah. They promised that the Jat of Delhi will be included in central OBC list. Now look what, on 21/3/2017, a month after, a question was asked in Lok Sabha whether the National Commission of Backward Classes has opposed the grant of OBC status to Jats, and if so, the details thereof. And the relevant question is whether the government is again considering to provide reservations to Jat, and if so, the details thereof. The NCBC had recommended, answer was, the NCBC had recommended against inclusion of Jats in central OBC list, and no such proposal is under consideration. क्यों वादा किया आपने फिर जाट समाज को, क्या आप उन्हें सेंट्रल ओबीसी लिस्ट में लाएंगे? क्यों 2019 में आपने मीटिंग बुलाई?
जाट से ज्यादा जो होता है ना, खाली डब्बे ज्यादा शोर मचाते हैं तो ज्यादा चिल्लाओ.
मेरा आप पेपर पढ़िए ना, पढ़ के सुनाइए जरा, पढ़ के सुनाइए, लीजिए, पढ़ के सुनाइए, जनता को बताइए.
सवालों का जवाब दीजिए.
आप बताइए जनता को.
बिना मुझे टोके अब मुझे बोलने दीजिए.
They are resorting to, no,
one at a time.
Article 10 seconds. They are resorting to,
you know, every time there cannot be an extension extension of 10 seconds. You took your extra 10 seconds. Now listen to the answer. You'll get.
I have questions.
I will come.
I have questions, and please don't interrupt in between. अगर आपको जाट समुदाय की इतनी फिक्र है, why in 10 years did Arvind Kejriwal not once raise this in the assembly? प्रधानमंत्री को कोसते हैं, EVM को कोसते हैं, लेकिन जाटों के बारे में नहीं बोलते. How many members of parliament have you sent to the Rajya Sabha from the Jat? Let me complete. कितने जाट भेजे? Now नाविका जी, किसान योजना जो है हमारी प्रधानमंत्री किसान सम्मान योजना, उसके तहत 6,000 रुपए साल का किसान को मिलता है. दिल्ली में अधिकतर किसान या जाट है या गुजर है. We have been begging them for the list of the names so that the money can be transferred, but they refuse to give us the names and they don't even acknowledge it. Next thing, if you are so bothered about Jats, our vice president is a Jat. You remember Sanjay Singh mocking him? You remember the Mikri outside parliament? You have zero respect for Jats. Tell me one question. ऐसा एक पेपर दिखाइए जिसके अंदर
तो उल्टा लिखा है. कुछ नहीं लिखा, उल्टा पढ़ के बताइए आपने. पढ़ के बताइए जरा क्या उल्टा लिखा है.
तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा है कि ऐसे
मैं बता रहा हूँ. सुप्रीम सुनिए मैं बता रहा हूँ.
सुप्रीम
मैं बता रहा हूँ.
Your paper that you have left here is doing a fact check.
पेपर छोड़ा है. अगर आप सुप्रीम कोर्ट के वर्डिक्ट को बिलीव करते हैं, इस देश में अगर जस्टिस है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट का वर्डिक्ट कह रहा है, इट हैज सेट असाइड व्हाट द सेंटर, i.e. the BJP government had given 9 states reservations. In 9 states, Supreme Court has quashed that and set aside that order.
Just a minute. This assurance was given after the Honorable Supreme Court delivered a verdict. आप तारीख देखिए ना.
रख देना कि पढ़ेगा नहीं कोई, ये गलती मत
पेपर रख देना.
साइंटिस्ट बैठे.
नहीं, ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट
2015 के बाद.
All right. It's going. Let's also look at scenario 3. There is a third scenario. And the third scenario.
Navika ji, here's the assurance of PM Modi after this judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court.
Tell me how many times did Mr. Kejriwal bring this up in the assembly?
Formed under the leadership of Swarghiya Arun Jaitley ji. Here's
did not
another
answer
proof.
one
And you must see
question I
this.
asked.
You must not misinform the viewers.
I'm reading your
May I just come in? Mr. Arun Jaitley passed away in the August of 2019. Between 2019 and 2025, how many times have you raised this issue? I rest my case. Scenario 3.
Navika ji, Delhi Commission has already given a report. Delhi Commission has already given a report.
I'm saying if the Congress comes out, and which it has, about a freebie card, then what happens? And if so far it hasn't gained traction, let me put that also on record. So far, आप 2500 रुपए दे रहे हैं, but nobody is buying it, nobody thinks you can deliver it, and nobody is interested. वो 1 lakh वाला लोगों ने देख लिया है ट्रेलर लोकसभा में. But if it works, then there is a risk that the Aam Aadmi Party's vote share will come down to 48%, the BJP will be at 44%, and the Congress will go up to about 7%, and these are the number of votes, the gap again closing. If the Congress is, freebie works. Total votes, this will be 44.74% will be the vote share of the Aam Aadmi Party. 46% will be the BJP and 7.5%. This is the 7.5% is the X factor. If the Congress gets to 7.5% of votes, it will damage the Aam Aadmi Party more and it will give an advantage to the BJP. So Ashutosh Mishra, I'm asking you, in this scenario, when we are looking at, and look at the seat projections, then there is a risk that the Aam Aadmi Party slips down below the majority mark. The BJP gets advantage. The Congress gains only 2, but helps the BJP to cut the Aam Aadmi Party. ये जुगलबंदी क्या कहलाती है? इसीलिए तो अरविंद केजरीवाल रोज सवाल पूछते हैं.
तो at the start, my co-panelists spoke about there being anger in public, and what has Mr. Modi said? आपदा को नहीं सहेंगे. And Delhi has been suffering the double engine of आपदा. BJP at MCD level and Aam Aadmi Party at the state government level. And that's what BJP and Aam Aadmi Party both are afraid of. That's why you hear this slanging match. She talks about pollution. He says pollution is an international and national problem. The fact is, the Supreme Court has pointed out that the BJP government in Haryana and the AAP government in Punjab have been doing little, and that is why UP of course. So, and that's why we Delhiites are suffering. There is an ad of BJP which says Sabarmati ko saaf kiya, Yamuna ko bhi karenge. So far, has BJP been punishing the Delhiites for not voting for BJP? Why has this been done?
The anger was shown. But the anger was shown in the MCD. The BJP is out. The BJP is out. The AAP is in. In the last 2 years, have Delhiites benefited? Why don't you respond on that?
So that's what I'm saying. Double engine. Aam Aadmi Party and BJP. Aapda ka double engine. Aam Aadmi Party and this.
There is an element of
and
truth to what-
the assembly elections have always, in the past few years, we have seen they have been just the opposite of what has happened in Lok Sabha. And that's what's scaring BJP and Aam Aadmi Party. So they're always talking about Sheesh Mahal, this and that, irrelevant things. As you said, Congress hasn't come to the ground. I think the first rally of Rahul Gandhi is on January 30.
Why is the Lok Sabha election troubling the Aam Aadmi Party? Unko to zero mila, which means up cent percent milega. So why is it troubling the Aam Aadmi
because
Party? You should have gone with the Aam Aadmi Party.
No. Because Congress suffered due to alliance with Aam Aadmi Party in the Lok Sabha election.
Oh.
That's why it has decided to go alone this time. And you cannot have a case where at the start when India Alliance was formed, K.C. Venugopal had said that it is something for the Lok Sabha elections, and then we will see at every state assembly.
So then I'll show you pictures of Rahul Gandhi talking about India Alliance way after the Lok Sabha elections. Doesn't Rahul Gandhi know about what K.C. Venugopal
that was after
Anand,
state by state.
Anand.
Navika, I have to say this. There is a big element of truth to what Ashutosh ji has said. The golden period of Delhi has to be under Sheila Dikshit ji. There is no doubt about it. Everyone, even people in the BJP, even people in AAP would say that yes, that is possibly true. They might not, but it's a fact. There is also an element of truth that Ashutosh ji says that the BJP, in wanting for the anger to bubble out, is in one sense punishing the voters of Delhi. And I don't mean the NDMC, where, Lutyens Delhi, where you stay and all of VVIP stay.
I don't stay in Lutyens Delhi, by the way.
Achha. So, 33% of Delhi is in slums.
I'm going to file a defamation case against you.
I'll hire Kejriwal's lawyer. That the state government is paying for Kejriwal's lawyers. That is another scam. But look, 1,750 unauthorized. Has Kejriwal not hired a state government, not paid for the
lie? Can I respond?
See the fact.
Let him complete his point and then.
ने कहा था कि ये जो कांग्रेस है ये महंगे वकील करते हैं. फिर जब उनसे सवाल पूछा गया इस चैनल पे कि आपने अभिषेक मनु सिंघवी जैसा इतना महंगा वकील कर दिया, हमें हक नहीं है कि हमें न्याय मिले. कमाल है. आप अपने नेता के भाषण सुन के आया करिए और इंटरव्यू.
मैं अपनी बात फिनिश नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. सबसे ज्यादा लीगलाइज करना अनऑथराइज कॉलोनीज कौन सी पार्टीज करती हैं? अगर आप ये देख लें, आपको पता चल जाएगा दिल्ली में काम किसने किया है. दे आर बेसिकली ट्राइंग टू हैव एंट्रेंच्ड वोटर्स. दैट इज द सक्सेस ऑफ आम आदमी पार्टी एंड बीजेपी इज ट्राइंग टू रेप्लिकेट इट. दे विल फेल बिकॉज आई रिपीट, if a government has actually done good work for Delhi, it was done more than a decade ago under Sheila Dikshit. No
15 साल पहले.
Yes.
Absolutely. Yes,
30
Anmol ji.
Navika ji, the Bharatiya Janata Party is in panic mode in Delhi. That is why they are resorting to mass voter deletion in Delhi. Day before yesterday, our leader, listen, just a minute. Listen to what the voter is saying.
वोट काट दिया गया है.
हाँ जी.
क्या कह के काटा गया है, कुछ पता है?
नहीं, वो तो वोटर लिस्ट में चेक कर रहे थे कि आप यहाँ रहते हो या नहीं रहते हो, और तब हमें 1100 रुपए मिले हैं वोटर आईडी लेके. हमें क्या पता कि हमारे वोट काट देंगे.
पहले ये तय कर ले कि क्या करना है.
पूर्वांचली तो वो कह रहे हैं उनके.
पूर्वांचली
there is a protest in Delhi that is happening.
One question.
बताइए क्या किया आपने 10 साल में उनके लिए? हमने उनके लिए स्कूल बनाए, अस्पताल बनाए, बिजली दी, पानी दी. आपने क्या किया?
झूठ बोलना बंद करिए. everything is caught on camera.
Listen to what the leader said. Listen to, it's your own Times Now report.
से 11,000 हर रोज होगा।
Times Now report.
बसाने का काम किया है।
The leader said that Bihar migrants must be stopped from settling in Delhi.
तब तो चलेगी।
आ नहीं रही
I
है।
have a question for आप.
1982 में जिस समय एशियाड गेम्स
I have a question for आप.
उस समय भारत से बहुत ज्यादा लेबर आई थी।
Punjab,
लेबर
one
को
minute.
सिर्फ
One minute. You've been talking. 1 minute.
और लेबर और वहीं बस गई और दिल्ली के अंदर धीरे धीरे चूंकि झोपड़ियां बसी, उसके बाद हर साल
बांग्लादेश ही बता रहे हैं। आप राम कुमार को, प्रकाश मिश्रा को, छोटे लाल को, आपके जेपी नड्डा जो है राज्यसभा में कह रहे हैं कि वो पूर्वांचली है, रोहिंग्या है, बांग्लादेशी है, रोहिंग्या है।
Answer to my question.
हिम्मत कैसे है कहने की? माफी मांगिए।
All right, heard you. What's your question?
See, Punjab, आप promised 1,000 rupees for women on December 2022.
Representation of people act, openly distributing glasses, openly distributing bed sheets.
Okay.
They are openly bribing the voters. What is the election commission doing?
The complaint.
Why don't BJP take action against Pravesh
Commission
Verma?
has taken cognizance and they
What
have
action are you taking?
election commission not said it's been quite
क्यों दे रही है
झूठ
रिश्वत
मत बोलो।
voters को?
This is not the way I can't
क्यों
show.
पोखरी
We have
में
been shown
संविधान
that
का
All
All
right, Anmol.
Dirty
Anmol,
act
this is
is
not
out
the
of that
order.
force.
Yes, that is a
Action नहीं
complaint
लेते
that the
दिल्ली में।
election commission has taken cognizance. The investigation is on. I cannot tell
Would you endorse this in democracy? Would you endorse this?
If it is correct, then I will not endorse it.
Is this
But I
not
have to
a
wait
full
for the
circle?
election commission to give its verdict, sir. I am not the authority which will investigate into this matter. I cannot investigate. I'm saying if it is true and the election commission finds out and says so, it's wrong.
And I was-
Any malpractices are wrong, but let me
Listen to what the
let
voter
me
said.
ask. No, let me ask you the question
Don't
KVC
hijack.
raised. Punjab May 2022, you announced 1,000 rupees for women.
कितने मिले?
How many women have got that?
आंसर
पंजाब में अगर आप इंटरप्ट ना करें, पंजाब में we also promised 24/7 electricity.
You take a break.
I'm not talking about
Why are you getting rattled? We promised 24/7 electricity. We are giving it. See, people have given us 5 years.
Question.
Just a minute. Don't get rattled. People have given us 5 years. People have given us 5 years.
मध्य प्रदेश delivered. Delivered.
कि हमने एक दिन के लिए सरकार चुनी है, जनता ने कहा था हमने 5 साल के लिए सरकार
The
चुनी है.
answer is clear.
80% promises have been fulfilled.
1 minute.
We are
This
providing
is-
them free
this is
electricity.
among the
We are
two-
providing them world-class education.
1 minute.
World-class healthcare.
1 minute.
We are providing them free water supply, and we will
1
fulfill
minute.
this promise as well.
20% of the promises that have not been completed, this 1,000 rupees for women is part of those 20%. And 3 साल हो गए हैं, आगे आएगा क्योंकि अभी 2 साल बाकी है सरकार की।
मेरी आवाज आ रही है
आ रही।
तो फिर इतना चिल्लाने की क्या जरूरत है? माइक से अच्छी आवाज आ रही है, अच्छी क्वालिटी की माइक है। आप इतना चिल्ला क्यों रहे हो?
रोमेश
सबको आवाज आ
सबर
रही है।
दिल्ली के असेंबली इलेक्शंस और लोकल इलेक्शंस, इन दोनों की फाइट आप देख रहे हो ना. वी हैव सफरिंग. आई एम बोर्न इन दिल्ली. मैं उत्तराखंड में पैदा नहीं हुआ हूँ. मैं राधिका कुछ कह रहा हूँ, सुनो. अब बहुत सीधा डिस्कशन में करने जा रहा हूँ. ये गलत ट्रेंड बन गया है कि दूसरे राज्यों से लोग आकर यहाँ इलेक्ट होते लोकल इलेक्शंस के अंदर. दे हैव नो नॉलेज अबाउट ऑल.
सोनिया गांधी इटली से आके यहाँ पे एमपी बन गई, राजभवन बन गई, और आपको दिल्ली में रहने की तकलीफ है।
बात तो कर रहे
छोड़िए, डबल
अरे
बोल
बात
की
कर रहे
मत
हो
बोलिए।
यार. बात नहीं कर रहे.
इटली से
सोनिया
आके
गांधी वो
यहाँ
चली
बनती
गई.
है,
मोदी
बन जाती है।
एमपी का चुनाव हो
प्रधानमंत्री
जाएगा.
को तैयार होती है और ये कह रहे हैं कि दिल्ली में बाहर से लोग
मैं जो बात कह रहा हूँ, सुनती नहीं हो.
संविधान
सुनने नहीं जाती.
हम कहीं पे भी जाके चुनाव लड़ सकते हैं। चिल्लाओ
दिल्ली की
मैं महिला हूं तो ये
सुनती तो होगी.
मैं भी कांग्रेस
बड़ी प्रॉब्लम तुम लोगों को.
ये
सोनिया
है
गांधी, सोनिया
कांग्रेस।
गांधी.
नालिका जी, ये है
बोलो
कांग्रेस
देखिए.
जो महिलाओं के साथ कैसे
यार,
व्यवहार
क्या हो
करती
गया
है।
बीजेपी वालों को?
इसलिए 4%
Allow him. Okay.
मैम अनप्लान्ड ग्रोथ हो रही दिल्ली की. जिस दिन भूकंप आएगा, सिस्मिक जोन में है, पूरी दिल्ली मरी होगी. 8-8 मंजिल घर बन रहे हैं. All politicians in Delhi, 99% have become builders. Any Aap Party, BJP,
Makan is one of them.
Congress, all of them.
Congress also.
सब
अजय माकन
रुको, मुझे
पूरा
कहने दो.
जगतपुरी में उनके
ये-
कहे बिना
बोलने नहीं
टंडन
देती.
नहीं डल सकता। पहले
अरे
उनके
बोलने
पास
दो.
पैसा जाता
नहीं,
है
मुझे-
ट्रेजरर के
Okay,
पास।
allow him to complete. Allow him to complete. Everybody is interrupting him.
एक बोलने एक ही बात है, दिल्ली में 7
one at a time. Okay.
Ma'am,
30 seconds more.
Kejriwal is the first chief minister in the whole world who's without portfolio. मुझे कोई आसाम का मुख्यमंत्री बना देगा? ये एंड्रॉयड टेक्नोलॉजी का झूठा जाल है. आज दिल्ली कितनी सफर कर रही है इन दोनों की लड़ाई में. शीला जी के टाइम में भी अडवाणी जी वाजपेयी जी प्राइम मिनिस्टर थे, हम मिलकर चलते थे। दिल्ली इज अ मल्टीपल अथॉरिटी सिस्टम। दिल्ली के बारे में इनको पता ही नहीं है कि दिल्ली है क्या। दिल्ली की मेट्रो, एक मिनट, दिल्ली की मेट्रो भारत सरकार के अंदर है, दिल्ली के एम्स भारत सरकार के अंदर है, दिल्ली के सफदरजंग हॉस्पिटल भारत सरकार के अंदर है, लेडी हार्डिंग हॉस्पिटल, आरएमएल हॉस्पिटल, करावती हॉस्पिटल, इसके बाद ईएसआई हॉस्पिटल।
All right, there are other issues. I'm coming to you. But let me also ask one big question. How much?
question.
वो नहीं, but 20% not
भाई साहब 80% allotment कर दिए, आ जाओ आ देंगे, आपको भी घुमा देंगे वहां पे, क्यों परेशान हो?
Is there a Hindutva vote in Delhi? So far we felt that the Hindutva card never worked. Let's look at this. Look at the combination of castes in Delhi. Look at in 2015, 45% of the upper caste voted for the BJP, 53 voted for them in 2020. I'm talking about BJP, 45 and 53 in 2015 and 2020, and 43 and 41 for the Aam Aadmi Party. These are the upper castes. Let's now move to the other castes. Let's look at the OBCs. OBCs, the BJP has got 44 and 49%. The Aam Aadmi Party extremely close at, they had taken larger share of the OBC votes in 2015, but then fell behind the BJP to 46% in the 2020
Navika, this
election.
is error. This is, you're confusing between 15 and 20.
No, it's 15 on top and 20 at the bottom.
Oh, okay.
It's fine.
Okay.
Yes, and in 2015 scheduled caste, in 2015 the BJP got 18%. In 2022
Okay.
they improved their tally to 22.7. In the Aam Aadmi Party in 2015 had 73%, fell to about 67. The Congress almost not mattering in any of these sections. The overall Hindu vote, if you see, the BJP at 37%, the BJP in 2020 at 46%. Look at the Aam Aadmi Party. On the Hindu votes, the Aam Aadmi Party is ahead at 51% and 48% in 2020. So this is how the things have changed between 2015 and 2020, which is why are we seeing, Anand Ranganathan, a change in the way Arvind Kejriwal is approaching. The pujaris, the granthis have suddenly become important. The Maulanas not so important, because he knows that vote is coming to him without him wearing it on his sleeve. The Congress unlikely to get it. Is that why both the Aam Aadmi Party wants to be more Hindu than the BJP?
There are two ways to answer this, and let me just give me a minute, because you know, often this mud that is slung on the BJP, ki they are the communal party, they are the bigoted party. You look at the two most communal actions that have been taken during these daily elections, you know, the whole thing. One is Aam Aadmi Party, that was caught literally with its pants down, because for 10 years they were giving monthly salaries to imams, but not to Hindu priests. And now when they got caught, because they weren't actually giving the salaries, 18,000 per month wasn't being given, Kejriwal suddenly said, we are going to give to priests. After 10 years, they remembered. Secondly, if you look at all the people who have been implicated in the Delhi riots, where Hindus and Muslims both were killed, it is the AIMIM, it is the AAP that is placating the rioters. For example, Shah Rukh, for example, Tahir Hussain. So who is communal here? That's point number one. I take your
पार्टी ने
point.
कहा दिया, बताइए, नहीं झूठ क्यों बोल रहे हैं आप फिर?
नहीं, एक सेकंड.
AIMIM ने टिकट दिया, वो आपके साथ है.
Can you please
आप कैसे कह सकते हैं फिर? नहीं, कुछ भी मतलब, कुछ भी.
एक सेकंड, ये अपने सवाल जो
पहले आपके साथ ही थे.
जो आज पहले थे, पहले तो सवाल पूछे जाए.
Let them all talk and yell. I've written on this.
सवाल पूछे जाए तो आंसर नहीं करना, को इंटरप्ट ना करो अनमोल. That's not.
Okay, what is the second?
There is a reason why Kejriwal hired Manu Singhi and not you. Yeah, you can't interrupt. You know.
So now,
फिर
झूठ बोलने की जिम्मेदारी आपकी नहीं है.
All right, come on, let's go.
हाँ, I take your point. Hindutva is not a factor, because let's be very honest, in the last elections, BJP tried, because if you remember that CAA agitation was going on.
Yeah.
They tried to rake that matter up. They tried to do, it did not work at all. The fact of the matter is, rather than looking at the Hindutva as a factor, if you look at the socio-economic profile of the AAP voter, it will be very clear. I mean, the SC/ST, the tilt is there. But if you look at the strata, it will be clear that most of the Hindu votes that AAP has got are the people who are belonging to the lower socio-economic strata, who are benefiting from the freebies and entrenched votes.
So ultimately, it's all down to the.
It is all down to the.
One thing I disagree. I disagree because since 2020, yes, it did not work in 2020. Arvind Kejriwal never addressed that issue. Goli maro salo ko. Ministers were making speeches like this, so and so forth. Right after the election result, riots began in Delhi. Northeast Delhi, the BJP will be hoping to make gains because it's polarized. We've also had a conflict in Jahangirpuri. When Hanuman Jayanti processions went in front of a masjid, we had another conflict in Kalindi Kunj. We have a lot of low-level things happening here, which is why AAP believes that the landscape of Delhi is changed, which is why they are trying to. Arvind Kejriwal has always believed that BJP ko free card mat do ki wohi Hindu hai, right? Actually, even Congress, Rahul Gandhi bhi to shloka voka kyun? Even he's trying to say, I'm also a Hindu, right? So this is, I disagree that Hindutva, that a polarized scenario is not a factor. It is a factor in Delhi.
Is it a factor, Radhika ji? Is that why the Granthis and Pujaris?
Just one thing I would like to add.
I mean, being on the ground, I'm very clear that the ground has changed. Since I go to the ground.
Hanuman Jayanti processions going by the mosque is not a communal incident. Mosque people throwing stones at Hanuman Jayanti is a communal
I don't want to get into
one second, let's not get into Hindu-Muslim, let's talk about facts. The facts of the matter is, Navika, that the socio-economic profile of the Delhi voter is much more important than the religious profile.
See, Kejriwal has taken a U-turn and become a Chunavi Hindu, and people of Delhi are seeing through it. There used to be regular havans that used to be performed in Delhi jail and Tihar jail, but they have the Delhi government ensured that they were stopped. If you remember, Kejriwal has said, Ram Mandir बनने से क्या कोरोना खत्म हो जाएगा? And he is the same केजरीवाल. इन लोगों ने मिलके किस तरीके से अपने आप को हनुमान भक्त कहते हैं, हनुमान मंदिर जाते हैं, और जो सबसे पुराने हनुमान मंदिर है उसको तोड़ने का भी काम इन्होंने किया, क्योंकि इनको ब्यूटिफिकेशन करना था चांदनी चौक का. वहां पे कितने मंदिर तोड़ दिए. एंड व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट, आज आप सैलरी दे रहे, 10 साल से इनकी सरकार थी, दे इवन हैव, दे वो ना हिंदू के हैं ना मुसलमान के हैं, वो दिल्ली की जनता देख रही है. 17 महीने से वो मांग रहे हैं मौलाना कि हमारी सैलरी तो दे दो. अब ये नई चीज ले आए हैं, पंडितों को देंगे. पंडित आपके मोहताज नहीं है. राम को बदनाम करने वाले, राम का अपमान करने वाले, राम पे विश्वास करने वालों के पैसे पंडित नहीं लेंगे. मैं बहुत जिम्मेदारी से कह रही हूँ.
अनमोल जी,
देखिए, ये बड़े सच्चे पक्के हिंदू बनते हैं. इन्हीं के जो सांसद थे नरेश अग्रवाल, राज्यसभा में खड़े होकर उन्होंने किस तरह की अभद्र टिप्पणी की थी राम जी के बारे में, सीता माता के बारे में, सबको पता है. इन्हीं के उत्तर प्रदेश के जो उप मुख्यमंत्री हैं दिनेश शर्मा, उन्होंने कहा था सीता माता टेस्ट ट्यूब बेबी हैं, और इन्होंने अभी कहा कि हनुमान मंदिर तोड़ने के लिए हमने कहा था, ये रहा एमसीडी का एफिडेविट, बीजेपी ने तोड़ा था हनुमान मंदिर, ये रहा इन्होंने साइन करके दिया था 2021 में, तोड़ दो. प्रूफ के साथ है, प्रूफ के साथ है, पूरा एफिडेविट और ये जो हमने तो हमारी जो देश की पहली सरकार है जिसने पुजारी और ग्रंथियों के सम्मान में योजना लाई, तुम्हारे हाथ किसने बांध रखे थे? 75 साल से तुम्हारे हाथ किसने बांध रखे थे? आज तो मौलाना की सही याद आई है. हमने अगर पुजारी और ग्रंथियों के सम्मान की बात की तो तुम्हारे पेट में दर्द होने लगा.
पहले आपका सम्मान कहाँ था? ये सम्मान अब क्यों? सवाल ये है,
देखिए, हम तो ले आए 65 साल से 75 साल से कहां सो रहे थे.
I need to look at the Super 9 because Super 9 is a formula that can tell you which are the seats that if they go this way or that way, they can change elections. Let's take a look at some of these seats. Aam Aadmi Party won these seats. This is Mundka. Aam Aadmi Party won this seat twice in 2015 and 2020. This is the victory margin, which is a lower victory margin of about less than 20,000 votes. So Mundka becomes one of those seats where if the BJP were to up their game, can they actually look at getting this? Now let's look at Trinagar. Trinagar is a seat. Once again, 2 elections, Aam Aadmi Party has won this, but by about 10,710 votes. So low margin seat. Can the BJP do something? Karol Bagh seat. Again, approximately 32,000 votes. Can the BJP up its game in Karol Bagh and swing this seat? Again, Palam seat, the Aam Aadmi Party has won it twice, and about 32,000 is the vote margin. Can there be a swing here if the Congress comes into play and the BJP can up its game? Kalka ji. Now, Kalka ji, important seat. Atishi, Chief Minister, comes from this seat. They won this seat twice. Last time, the margin was about less than 11,500 votes. If the Congress and the BJP can get together, will it cut into the AAP votes? Kondli seat, again twice Aam Aadmi Party has won, but about 18,000 is the vote margin. Can something happen here? Patparganj, and this seat is important because Manish Sisodia gave up this seat. The margin last time was about 3,200 votes.
The guy who Manish defeated is also the person who is seen in all the videos going there and saying, "Aap Muslim ho, apna naam dalo. Aap Hindu ho, saffron pehno." So don't say that Hindutva is not there. Go to the ground and then see what's happening in Delhi.
Right now, Hindutva or not, I'm looking at the seat of Manish Sisodia, why he went off to Jangpura, very clear from the vote margin. Gokalpur, this is a SC seat, again margin of 19,500 last time. Can this be bridged? And Seelampur, again this is a margin of about 37,000. Can the Congress actually get, because this is a minority predominant seat, can the Congress party cut the Aam Aadmi Party's vote in this? So this
12,000 ka difference.
I'll tell you
these are the 9 seats that we've picked up where the Super 9, there are close where they are in direct fights, and can they? Close fight in Seelampur, which is a separate, 8 are there, and then there is Seelampur where the Congress needs
no, if Congress
to
and AAP, if minority voted, BJP can win Seelampur.
That is why I'm saying, these are the Super 9 seats that can determine.
Karol Bagh will stay with us.
And in this
It's a
case,
very working class population.
we found out many seats.
Where's the fight? Navika ji? गालीबाज पार्टी का सीएम चेहरा नहीं है, फाइट कहाँ पे है?
मैं आपको ये बता दूं, कई ऐसे चुनाव हैं इंक्लूडिंग मध्य प्रदेश जहां सीएम का चेहरा नहीं था।
छत्तीसगढ़,
राजस्थान में नहीं, ओडिशा में नहीं था। But I take your point, but they're raising the question on can he be the chief minister? Why did he give up the
I've already said they are lying.
After all, temporary CM Atishi are not my words. They are Arvind Kejriwal. But the fact is, even her seat is a tough seat. What's going to happen in Delhi will be determined by how well the Congress party does. The magic 7.54% votes, if the Congress can get, will it create trouble for the Aam Aadmi Party? The Super 9 seats, which way will they go? And of course, the biggest of them all, the freebie factor. The freebie factor. Will it swing the elections towards the AAP, or if the BJP ups their game against the AAP? And the Hindutva factor. Is that why Pujaris and Granthis are suddenly the hot favorites for the Aam Aadmi Party? All of this coming up in these projections that we are showing, but finally, abhi picture baki hai. Over the next 3 weeks, how does all of this play out on the ground will determine Delhi kiski hai. But for now, thank you very much to my panelists for joining me on this big Delhi dangal.